Hey guys, Mike with Palm Pros here. They're going out to our giveaway winner. Back when we did the build over at Bedrock Landscape Supply, and so when we set up that display out there, we gave away one of the urns. And so we're actually going to go out there today to install that urn, and so we should have an awesome time.
Better if you didn't let the wheelbarrow tip over.
Shut up. When I'm lifting it with my arms. Doesn't make any sense.
All right, finally made it. It's late in the day. Wanted to swing by the job over here for the urn. Actually, it looks like the guys are already done and left. But let's go check it out. See what we got. All right, well that was awesome. That was a successful job, so I'm glad that got done. Looks like they're very happy about it. One of them saw it today, the other one's actually on a trip, but I'm sure she's gonna see the video here of it running. Really excited about that, getting that done. So thank you everybody for participating in that contest. That was awesome. Hopefully soon we can do something sometime soon with another contest. So that should be a lot of fun. So this is Mike with Palm Pros, and please like, comment, subscribe. We would appreciate that very much. And we will see you on the next job.